Well, hello there. Um, I was asked to come to class today and teach you a little bit about how to make a human. What?
What are you doing, Mr. Manchu? That's not what I asked you to do. Hey everybody. Today we're going to learn about how to make finger puppets. They're a lot of fun and I love making them and playing with them. So I've created a demonstration video for you, and make your fun little character and then take a photo and post it to Seesaw. I can't wait to see who your little characters are. Don't forget to give them names. All right, have fun, be creative, wash your hands. Bye. Some of the materials you'll need for this project are colored paper, glue, scissors, yarn, or string. First, select the papers you want to use. Trace your finger on the background paper and cut out 2 pieces the same size. Then glue them together. Collage the face onto the body. Be creative. This doesn't have to be realistic. It's a puppet. Add ears and hair and any other features that you think your puppet might need.